3 software that Beeple uses to create his NFT arts. You have probably heard about the digital artist Mike Winkelmann, aka Beeple. He is one of the biggest digital artists' names in the world of NFT market space. His artworks have sold out for millions of dollars. His artwork Everydays, Crossroads, Human One, NFTs are the best example that sold out for millions of dollars. Now, you might have wondered which software Beeple uses to create this kind of digital artwork. Here in this video, we will tell you 3 software that Beeple uses to create his artwork and a short guide on this software. The first one is the Maxon Cinema 4D, 3D design software. Now, talking about this software, Maxon Cinema 4D is widely recognized as one of the easiest and most accessible 3D packages to learn and use. Maxon offers thousands of tutorials on Cineversity and hundreds of quick tips to soften that learning curve. The second software on this list is Adobe's Octane Render, ray tracer software. One of the outstanding GPU renders engines that has been widely used by 3D artists worldwide is Octane Render. It is an unbiased GPU render engine delivering quality and speed unrivaled by any production rendered on the market. Third and the last, Beeple uses Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and After Effects to do the finishing touch for his work. These tools are the best at graphic designing and editing. You can find all the links to these softwares in the description. Thank you. Please like, share and comment your thoughts below. Subscribe to the channel to get frequent NFT updates.